Alright, you guys, welcome back to the channel. We're getting started early today. It's like 6:30 in the morning. We're up, we're woke, and it is PCB weekend, baby. Now, if you don't know what PCB weekend is, you're about to find out. We're finna turn up. There's about to be hella squatted trucks, hella people down there, and dude, it's about to be a fucking movie. Trust. We're going down there with my boy Connor. You guys know Connor very well. Pop up picture of his truck. Bam! Well, buddy done popped out, okay? New lift, he got a new lift. Same wheels. I haven't seen it in person yet, but I've seen pictures and I've seen videos, and that bitch is huge. So, whenever we get there, I'll show you guys the truck, show you guys what we'll be riding around in, because I don't think there's any way that we're driving that down there. Definitely getting towed. We might get arrested, throw us under the jail. But you guys stay tuned. I'm about to head to Connor's in like 2 to 3 hours, and then we get to see the truck together. And then whatever happens from there, hey, let the video continue because it's about to be a freaking movie. You guys want to see what I got packed? Nothing. Gotta leave in 2 hours. Wait, what time is it? 7? Gotta leave in like an hour and a half. Not packed, so...
It's 8 o'clock.
8 o'clock. Gotta leave like...
30 minutes.
soon. I'm about to jump in the shower, pack, and meet Connor at his house. So that being said, I'm gonna speed through this. See you guys at Connor's. Alright, you guys, we made it to the crib, and like I was saying, nigga, damn, holy shit! Look at that though. Golly, son. Dude, it's a fucking monster truck, dude. It's a fucking monster truck. Hey, man. Honest opinions, bro. Honest opinions. What you thinking?
Stupid.
Stupid, dude. This is ignorant.
Yeah, back up.
Whole truck just bop.
Alright, hold it.
Yep. 4'5", hopping out the fucking 12-foot truck. I don't think y'all understand, dude. I don't think y'all understand. This motherfucker is huge. The hell already vlogged. Gotta load this motherfucker on a trailer because it's not making it all the way. 3 hours. Look at that shit. Golly. Gotta take them wheels off. I just want them wheels to put it on the trailer. Like, what they call this? Just a little bit of adversity, man. Just a little bit of adversity. Yikes. Okay guys, so as I'm sitting here editing this, I realize that there's no explanation to how we ended up getting the truck on the trailer. We knew somebody that had another trailer that would work, that we had to rent from them. So we rented that trailer, and then the dude that was originally going to pull us had to go do something, so he wasn't able to pull us anymore, so we had to find somebody else to pull us. So we found Matthew, my good friend Matthew, came and pulled us, found the trailer, and we were good to go. Continue the video. Hey, after a long time of waiting, baby, we on the trailer. PCB bound, baby, PCB bound. Ain't no way we're driving this around Panama City without getting pulled over or possibly arrested. But hey, she gonna be there, man. She gonna be there. On the trailer, finna hit the road. Connor, got that motherfucker, baby. Hey, baby, where we at?
Fucking Florida.
We in Florida, baby.
Florida, the Sunshine State, baby.
The Sunshine State, baby. We still about, what, hour and a half away? We got the rig back there, and we got Connor back there. You guys can see him right there. We sliding, baby. We sliding. Got the bruise in hand. We're about to cause a motherfucking problem down here. PCB ain't ready. Hour and a half away. Once we get there, I'll show you guys around the Airbnb, and then get into whatever happens. I think the show's already started, or it starts in like 20 minutes. We ain't gonna make it. We're not gonna make the start. We will damn sure make the end.
We'll be the end of the show, baby.
Touchdown, baby. We in PCB. Show's right next door. Got her off the trailer. We turning up, baby. Time to turn up. right, you guys. But we got kicked out. Private property, everything. We literally got kicked out. Cops are walking through there, flashing everybody out, telling us to leave. Show was supposed to end at 10. It's 8:30. The bitch started at 5. Everybody paid money to get in that bitch. Kicked us out. Davis.
It's a shame.
It's a fucking shame, man. They hate the lean rigs, but hey, we still shutting this bitch down. And we got tomorrow. This is only night 1. Right now, we're going back to the B&B, drink some beers, eat some tacos, and get fucked up. That being said, you guys stay tuned, and whenever we get there, I'll give you guys an Airbnb tour. Alright, you guys, good morning. It is day 2 PCB. Got the rigs over there. We just woke up. I didn't film anything when we got here yesterday, but today, going to the show, maybe going to the beach. So, that being said, you guys stay tuned, and let's get into day 2. Alright, you guys, we made it to the show. Now we're gonna walk around, check out some trucks, drink some beer, and have a great time.
That bitch just flew up. Did you not hear the rod come out of it?
Wait, I've been smoking.
Yes.
Oh my god.
You just threw a rod.
Pop the hood.
Pop the hood.
Pop the hood.
Crank it back up. All right, that's fine. Throw a rod. I told you.
Motherfuckers going crazy out here, bro. Hell yeah.
Tell them, Ashcraft. Turn up.
I feel like this is a fucking Kid Rock commercial.
Which hole y'all in?
I'll buy the whole ditch store.
Y'all rushing, y'all finna fall in out. Look at this shit!
See it.
Fuck!
And that wraps up day one, baby. Got it all loaded back up. Now we hit the hour drive back to Panama. Tomorrow, day 2, concert tomorrow. Turn up. Shit's gonna be crazy. Gotta stay tuned. And just like that, we are back in Bama, baby. What a crazy, crazy weekend that was. Panama City be turned, man. Great time down there, met a bunch of cool people. Unfortunately, we didn't get to stay the second day and we didn't get to go to the concert, but I still had a blast with the time that we went to. I know you guys like the truck show video, so if you want to see me go to more, put it down in the comments, drop a like on the video. I think we're thinking about going to Daytona, and then I think we're thinking about going to one of the ones in the Carolinas, turn up with you Carolina boys. So if that's something you guys want to see, drop it in the comments. But with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and end off today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.
I don't even watch and they know I'm a part of the virus. They tell me I'm thinking it hurts. Slime party, I'm deep in the streets and got money. I know it's a curtain. I'm not party, girl, part that is a young.
You my fucking mother, boy.